Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to this mini camera basics course where I want to take you from zero to cinematic hero. Regardless whether you're just starting out and know absolutely nothing or you're just trying to brush up your skills, these videos will guide you through everything you need to know to become a self-sufficient content creator, going from buying a camera to hitting export. In this video, we're diving into audio. Good audio isn't just important, but a lot of the time it's actually more important than the video itself. You can watch a video that isn't the best quality, that sounds good, but if the audio is just bad, it doesn't matter how crisp the video is, it's just not nice to watch. So the first thing you want to monitor when you're recording audio is your levels. Your audio levels monitor how loud or quiet the sound is. And the levels you want to be aiming for when you're filming is between -12 and -6 dB. Going too loud leads to what is called clipping, and that's when there's not enough room to record sound at that level, meaning information is lost. Similar to clipping in video, when the exposure is too bright or too dark, you lose that information in the final image. So if you can, record two sources of audio. One that's a bit quieter than the other, ensuring that you have enough room regardless of how loud the subject is. You want to try and get the audio levels as accurate as possible when you're filming, because if they're too quiet and you have to turn it up in post, you're going to start to introduce background noise and hiss. The last essential of audio is the distance between the mic and the source of the sound. You want to have the mic you're using as close as physically possible to the source, because the closer to the source, the lower the levels of the mic can be. The lower the levels means the lower the levels of the background noise. So this mic is literally just out of frame, like it's there. So it's just out of frame, so it's not visible, but it's within 6 inches, so it's optimal for sound quality. So my camera can record this same mic to two different audio levels. That way I have a backup. But I also like to have a backup of the backup, which is why I have this lav mic on. Now I prefer the sound of the boom mic, but there's always a time and place for the lav mic. There are several different types of microphones, and these are three of the most common that you'll probably use. You have your lavalier mics that are used for attaching onto a subject. You have your shotgun mic for direction focused audio. Then you have your condenser mics for studio recordings. Depending on the situation will determine the type of microphone you're going to choose to use. For example, a lav mic is ideal for putting onto a subject when they're not very close to the camera, or as a great backup option. Although they are convenient, the reason they aren't preferred in all situations is because they are omnidirectional. So it doesn't matter what way the mic is facing, it will pick up sounds from everywhere. Whereas shotgun mics are the opposite. They are highly directional. They're more used as on-camera mics or boom mics because of that direction. For example, you can hear me clearly because I'm directly under the microphone. But if I go out of that direction, even though I'm talking at the same level, you can't hear me as clearly because of that direction.
Can I get a few words, Mr. Duck? Mr. Duck? Can I get a few words? Excuse me, sir? Mr. Duck? Can I get a few words, please?
And lastly, you have condenser mics, which you're seeing used in everyone's podcasts. The reason why they're used so widely is because of the sensitivity of these mics. You don't want a microphone that's going to pick up the person talking next to you. It's just not going to sound great because you're going to hear double. So having the condenser mics, you have to talk really close into the mic to be able to get that good audio. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments down below. But with that being said, if you got a lesson, laugh, or light bulb moment from this video, I'd really appreciate if you drop a like down below. And if you're feeling extra nice, you could hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, I will catch you in the next one. See ya.